Aalborg Carnival is the biggest carnival in Europe, with more than 100,000 people from all over the world gathering together to party in the streets of Aalborg. It starts early in the morning and you walk around 3 kilometers through the city to a huge park where massive concerts takes place. So it's very important to be able to carry your drink, lunch, extra clothing and anything else you might need for the day. In Aalborg, many people build a carnival cart or decorate an old baby stroller. The cart is your base all day while you party. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build a carnival cart. You can choose your own design, it doesn't have to be Jason. Just pick the theme that fits your costume. Avoid 5 common mistakes when you build your carnival cart. Watch closely, the tip will show up as we build. Give it up for Jason, he's here to help you. Avoid mistake number 1. Remember to bring a 5 or 10 liters empty container. It can save you a lot of money in an emergency. You will find out later in this video. Here are the materials you need to build the carnival cart. 1.5 Euro pallets, 4 caster wheels, 1 mortar tube, 2 wooden battens and some sturdy tree branches. Cut 4 pieces of wood at 50 centimeters and cut 1 meter piece at 45 angle. The saw has the guide built in. Avoid mistake number 2. Do yourself a favor. Get a new saw. Your dad's saw is basically outdated. A sharp saw will save you time and energy. Alright, now pay close attention. This is the most critical cut in the entire build. We are cutting out the centerpiece of the pallets, and that piece will become the actual base of the carnival float. You only get one shot at this. If you cut the wrong part, there's no fixing it. You'll need a brand new pallet, so trust me, you don't want to start over. Look closely, measure twice and cut once. If you have any questions about the build or others, please comment below. Avoid mistake number 3. Swivel wheels only on the back. Sounds crazy, but it keeps your cart from drifting sideways and tipping over. And trust me, your cart will still turn like a dream. Let me tell you a little story from my first time building a carnival float. I made one that had a bar logo on it, just for me and my couple of friends. I got a quite shock and surprised. With the bar logo on top, I started to attracting people who wants to buy from the float. I ended up getting so busy that I had to make 4 trips to the supermarket during the carnival. Avoid mistake number 4. Never go for a pull cart. Turn your back for 1 second, boom, your chips, soda, backpack have left the party without you. Avoid mistake number 5. Don't bring your dog or cat or your emotional support hamster. It's loud, chaotic and there's broken glass everywhere. Your pet didn't sign up for this. Now it's time to tell you a little secret. You cut 4 pieces of wood at 50 centimeters. Now you got space for 4 drink crates under the cart. Alright, here's the deal with the 5-liter container. The bathroom lines are miles long, so you think I'll just pee by a wall. But nope, a cop pops up and hands you a fine of 1,500 kroner. Okay, that's it for now. If you're a fan of DIY or love carnival fun, like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.